Hello, everyone.
It's a special day.
It's a very special day because the Piñata Party Blizzard is here. We got it early.
We may or may not have convinced them to train on the Blizzard so that we could be the first to try it at this Dairy Queen.
So here we go. First bite.
I have mine with chocolate ice cream. Vanilla.
You also got the sprinkles on yours. That's going to add so much to your experience.
On the whipped cream, I have this. They're actually sparkles.
Okay, I'm going to eat.
Okay. It's very cakey. Now in the middle should be a whole ton of cake bits. Do you have them in the middle?
I have bits. They kind of remind me of the little dinner mints. They're not minty, but that's the texture. I don't know if I'm loving that.
Show them what you got. I can't find my cone.
Yeah, I have no...
I got a small, and I've been excavating. I don't see the bits. Brian, you have a lot in the middle, right?
Yeah, I have a lot of the candy, which I'm not loving. Do you want
They're
me to
blue and
feed
pink.
you?
Yeah, I want it. Oh wait, I found one.
Okay.
I found one. This is our sexiest video ever.
It does taste like cake, though.
I have that's just a straight up cake. Where's my stars? Where's my stars?
I think I got all your stars. I'm sorry. I didn't want them.
I think I got one.
So,
I like it.
this is out now until supplies last, but through the end of the week,
weekend.
allegedly.
Keep stuffing it in your face.
So, yeah. Now, if you
I like it.
If you get small, it is bite-sized. I got a medium because a small. Who gets a small?
There's a lot of cake in here. This is definitely a very...
That means you don't get a small.
It's a party cake Blizzard.
More Blizzard means more cake.
I like it. Do you like it?
Yeah. I have had a better Blizzard this week. I will talk about that on next week's episode.
Okay.
Anyway,
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everyone.